A CV is typically used for a resume when applying for academic or research positions, fellowships, or grants, and on a case-by-case basis when applying to graduate school. While a resume is used when applying for placement, employment, and volunteer opportunities. Unlike a resume, a CV does not have a page limit. However, similar to a resume, the content you choose to share highlights your experiences, skills, competencies, and attributes related to the academic or research role or graduate school of interest. Keep in mind, depending on the employer and/or institution, they may request either one, so it's important to understand what they're looking for. In addition, while a resume should always be 1 or 2 full pages, you can sometimes go beyond this depending on the employer. For example, the City of Toronto recommends keeping the document between 2 or 3 pages in length. Here are some examples of sections you could include in a CV: education, honors and awards, research and teaching interests, research experience, work experience, volunteer experience, academic experience, conferences, and publications. The only section that you might have on your resume and not on your CV is a summary of qualifications and interests. Regardless of which one you need to use, always keep the audience in mind and tailor your document accordingly. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.